Hey guys, don't forget to hit the bell icon or you will not get notification. Do you know Dinchak Pooja?
Yeah.
Do you like Dinchak Pooja?
सेल्फी मैंने ले ली आज.
Preeti,
Yeah,
do you know Dinchak Pooja?
of course we do.
Yeah, bro, I'm forced to know.
You're forced to know Dinchak Pooja. Do you know Dinchak Pooja? Dinchak Pooja telsa meeku?
I heard that name, but I don't know who is she.
Yeah, obviously I do. Like, you have to know her if you're existing right now.
So do you know Dinchak Pooja?
Yeah.
Do you know Dinchak Pooja?
Yeah, I heard of.
You heard of her? You like her?
She's very pretty.
She's very pretty. Why do you like her?
For obvious reasons, when you look at it, it's visually pleasurable.
Visually pleasurable.
Yeah.
Do you like her?
No.
It's not about liking or hating her, but I don't like the deliberate posts that keep coming. So even she's a YouTuber.
Oh, do you like her?
No.
You don't?
No.
Huh? Telida. Sare. Do you like her?
Not at all.
You heard that name, but you don't know who is she.
It's more like taking the name of evil. You only make her stronger.
Evil.
Yeah.
Fortunately or unfortunately, she is the most searched one in the YouTube right now.
Not at all.
I think she is kind of killing the actual talent which people have. and
बहुत डाल रही है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत डाल रही है. Do you like the song she makes?
It should.
Do you like her songs?
I never heard of. I don't want to, spend my time on such useless things.
You know her song Selfie Maine Le Liya?
Yeah, unfortunate.
Unfortunate. Okay.
I just request everyone to stop doing that. And other than that, I would say my only reaction would be to her videos would be just, it's mind-boggling.
If you had to suggest her to make another song,
Bistar pe dastar.
I'm not really sure.
My pet cow, my pink cow, something like that.
I have a lot of titles in Telugu.
tell me one.
Duppatlo dada dada.
Okay, she can just make a remix of that Mankind thing from Angel, Mankind Angel, and then club it with Suicide something.
What was that Sunny Leon song? Baby song, doll miss.
Baby doll miss hone
Yeah,
diya.
but this time it should be on a tune.
I won't suggest anything. Like sit at home.
Give a tune for that new title of
No.
it.
I really don't want to do that.
What would it be?
I didn't heard her songs. I heard one like Dilon Ka Shoota Hai Mera Scooter. That's the recent flick. That's the recent song, right?
Yeah.
No.
You like her songs?
No.
You don't like her songs?
Thing.
So, tell me one of her songs which you personally hate the most. Or
The
like
reason-
the most, huh?
Oh, like the most, really.
Okay,
I have
hate
got
the
it.
most.
Okay, this recent one, Shooter, something about Scooter.
Okay, is there one thing you want to tell Dinchak Pooja?
Please stop your videos. Your nonsense. Your shit.
She should sit at home.
That's it.
Yeah.
What is adult content?
Adult content, as in, see, most of the movies they come with UA certification, right?
Censor board. Like, they know the definition for adult content in India.
This is, I believe, it's all about your perception. See, because first of all, whatever we see is out of the society only. Whatever we are seeing, maybe a rape scene or anything adult, right? So this is out of the society. You can either take the positive out of it or the negative. So it's already on your control.
Because people are not matured enough to take it. Maybe that's the reason.
What is adult content?
సో చూపించడం అంటే బిగ్నీస్ అలాంటివి చూపించడం తక్కువ బట్టలు వేసుకొని చూపించడం
Takka Bottle is adult content. That is why it's called adult content.
Yeah.
Are you an adult?
Yes, I am.
What does it take to be an adult?
It's all about your mindset. It has got nothing to do with your age. Like they say 18 plus or to get married 21 plus, nothing has.
It's all about the mindset.
It's all about your mindset.
So are you an adult?
Believe so.
He believes
I'm
so.
Earning because I would say because I'm earning my own money.
Are you an adult?
ఎస్
Are you an adult?
Of course I am.
How does it feel to be an adult?
It's feel great.
How does it feel to be an adult?
He's great.
How does it feel to be an adult?
Amazing.
One advice for the adults?
Watch 18 plus videos.
మహేష్ బాబు అండ్ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్
ఓకే కాంబినేషన్ అంటే మల్టీ స్టార్ అంటున్నారా మీరు?
సో మల్టీ స్టారర్ తీస్తే బాగుంటుంది. రాజమౌళి గారు హీ డింట్ టచ్ దట్ టాపిక్ యాక్చువల్లీ
ఓకే
టిల్ నౌ.
మహేష్ బాబు అయితే బెటర్ ఉంటుంది.
మళ్ళీ మహేష్ బాబు.
Again, I'll go with Rana.
మహేష్ బాబు.
Nani.
నానియా?
Thinking about Pawan Kalyan.
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్. అల్లు అర్జున్.